welcome back to our channel COLLEGEMUNSHI.com. In this video, we are going to talk about MBA program offered in Yenepoya College in Bangalore. Looking for an MBA program blend with academic excellence, industrial exposure and guaranteed placements? Then Yenepoya deemed to be university is the best option for you for your MBA program. With NAC A+ accreditation and got 95th ranking in NIRF among the top India's private universities. Why Bangalore? Bangalore is a perfect place for your MBA because you have lot of industries in Bangalore. Bangalore is an innovation hub for your technology. Being in Bangalore, you can get global business and financial network too, which helps you to start your own business and grow your career. And it's a hub for startups and entrepreneurs. You can also have a lot of tech industries over in Bangalore. Do you know something? Many MNCs headquarters are located in Bangalore in our South India. So you can understand how great your career will be if you are studying in Bangalore. Students will get real-time experience on their corporate world because Yenepoya University has a lot of tie-ups with MNC companies. So they'll have a best for your careers. Smart classrooms with best infrastructure and AI-driven research centers. And they provide you digital learning access too for your best learning experience. Yenepoya School of Business Studies is one of the India's first industrial-oriented college which offers you industrial allocated specializations, live projects and internships, global immersion and study tours, entrepreneurship support and startup incubation. Your MBA should be an open door for many job opportunities. In Yenepoya, they are providing your MBA with many specializations with a high-end demand. So if you are looking for an MBA which gives you a ready job with the best skills, then Yenepoya is your best option for your MBA. Okay, then how about placements? They have a dedicated training and placements committee with them, and they have overall 350 recruiters with them. The highest package offered by this Yenepoya college is 30 lakhs per annum. The placement cells also actually work with the students for career guidance activities, resume building and placements too. And they have a top recruiters like Amazon, Flipkart, Accenture, TCS and many more companies. With hand-on training, industrial certifications and international collaborations, they provide you best career opportunities. They doesn't only concentrate on your job, they mainly concentrate on your successful industrial growth. Getting admitted in Yenepoya University is simple. It's an hassle-free process. Just go to their official website and fill the form with the necessary documents. And eligibility criteria is most important here. If you're seriously looking for admitting in one of the best university in South India, then the pre-bookings are open now. Just go and book your admission now. If you're seeking for a world-class MBA experience in Bangalore, then Yenepoya is your best college. So what are you waiting for? The admissions are open and the pre-bookings are also open. Do not miss this opportunity. For any admissions or other queries, contact us. If you have any other doubts, you can comment us below.